Welcome to Marina'S kitchen. Today I'm going to make a beautiful chocolate and wheat bix slice. It is so nice that the kids will like it. It's very quickly to make, very easy. Just put everything in together and you get these beautiful chocolate wheat bix slices. Now first of all we've got here, I'll just have to put everything in together. I've got 180 gram of melted butter. Melt your butter before and then you're going to add all your ingredients. So simple, so quick, so easy. So I'm going to put some vanilla to this melted butter. 180 gram of melted butter. Just going to put a drop of vanilla in there. And look, I've crushed up 3 wheat bix. I've crushed up 3 wheat bix. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them all together. I'm going to mix that all together and then I'm going to mix it with my butter. So I've got here 3 crushed wheat bix, I've got here a cup of self-raising flour. Just added that. I'm going to mix it all up in a bowl, then I'm going to add it to the butter. Now I've got here a cup of coconut. Just put it all together like that. Very quick, very simple. I've got a teaspoon of baking powder. Put that in there. And now I've got here a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and that was so quick, isn't it? And a cup of coconut, no sugar, this is my sugar, a cup of sugar and a cup of coconut. And that's all. Look, all you've got to do is put that in together. I had 3 wheat bix, I had a cup of self-raising flour, a cup of coconut, 3/4 cup of sugar, and just add that all together with a teaspoon of my baking powder. Look, just put that all together and I'm going to add that to my butter, 180 gram of melted butter, and we're going to put it in a slice, line a tin slice of about 20 to 26 centimetre tin, line that up and then put it together. Look, I'm just going to put that a bit in there time. Just put it, it's so easy. They're beautiful wheat bix chocolate slices. Lovely, the kids are going to enjoy them. I've got the kids coming over for the weekend, the grandkids and all that, so I thought I'd make this thing for them. Look, it's so quickly to make that. Just put it all in together, melt your butter, have all your dry ingredients ready, and all you've got to do is that beautiful chocolate wheat bix slice. You've got this beautiful slice, and then you're going to melt some chocolate and put the melted, when it cools down, you put that melted chocolate on the top with a bit of coconut on the top. Look, that's all it takes. It doesn't take long to make. Very quick. You can put it together as long as you've got some wheat bix inside. A cup of coconut, a cup of self-raising flour with a teaspoon of baking powder, and 3/4 cup of sugar, and just put it all together. Look, they're lovely. It's a lovely soft mixture. It's a beautiful mixture. Beautiful. You've got a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder through that. And that lovely crunchy of that wheat bix and that coconut makes that beautiful, beautiful slice. So all we've got to do now, all we've got to do is just put it in this tin, and it cooks for about 20 to 30 minutes in 180. Now just have to do that, just put it all in the sliced tin. Just put it all in there. 26 by 20 centimetre tin, line it with baking powder. I still have a little bit of trouble with my hands, so I've got to be careful how I'm doing this. It's getting better though, I'm doing much better with it. I'm sort of coping with it much better. So look, just put that all in there. Lovely. And spread that out to a lovely slice. Spread that out to a lovely slice. As I said, just give it 20 to 30 minutes in the oven. And just spread that out to a nice slice like that, evenly. And then when it cools down, take it out of the oven. When it cools down, I want you to melt just about a cup of cooking chocolate, and pour it on the top when it cools down. Don't put it on while it's hot. When it cools down, and then you can sprinkle some coconut on the top. So there you go. That is my quick chocolate wheat bix slice. Very quick. as you say, once you've got all your ingredients together, just put it all together. That's a beautiful slice. I'll show you the finished product. I made them. I need 2 slices. You get 24 pieces out of a dish like that. There they are, and look, they are beautiful. They are lovely and crunchy and lovely chocolate Wheat Bix biscuit, and I hope you'll enjoy them. Try them out, the kids love them. I've made 2 batches because I need them. We're going to get together I'm going to give some to the grandchildren. And look, they are beautiful. There's 24 pieces come out of that tray. And when it cools down, melt some cooking chocolate, about a cup there of cooking chocolate. Put it on the top. Sprinkle some coconut on the top. If you don't want to put the coconut at the top, you don't have to. But it looks nice to sprinkle a bit of coconut on the top. There's 24 pieces there, and they are lovely, crunchy chocolate slice. And I hope you'll enjoy it. It's very easy to make. Just put everything in together. That was so easy and so quick. You can whip that up in no time. When you want to make some, say the kids are coming over and you want to make some quickly chocolate Wheat Bix, as long as you've got some Wheat Bix inside, crush 3 up and you've got a lovely slice to make. This is a 26 centimetre tin lined with baking powder paper, and like give it about 20 to 30 minutes, 180 oven. Okay, look, I hope you'll like it. I think the kids will like it. It's something easy and something quick. So enjoy it. Have a good day. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.